In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Walmart Workday in 2025 with a step-by-step guide. If you're a Walmart employee eager to access your Workday account, this tutorial will provide you with everything you need to navigate the login process smoothly. Let's kick things off by visiting the Walmart Workday login page. To do this, open up your internet browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whatever else you prefer. Type in the web address one.walmart.com. This will take you to Walmart's intranet home, where you'll have access to all of your employment information. If your company has provided you with a direct Workday portal link, you might want to use that instead. It might save you some time and get you to your destination more directly. Once you're on Walmart's webpage, you need to look out for the Sign In button. You can typically find this on the top right corner of the page. It's visible and clearly marked to guide you seamlessly to the next stage of logging in. Now let's move forward to entering your credentials. Inputting your username and password is crucial here. Your username is generally your Walmart employee ID or your Walmart email address. Be sure to have this information at the ready. As for your password, this is the one you set up during your onboarding process. If you've forgotten it, there usually is an option to reset or recover it, but try to remember as it makes the process smoother. After you've entered your credentials, there's a possibility you might need to complete a multi-factor authentication. This extra layer of security is becoming the norm to protect sensitive employee information. If prompted, you may receive a verification code either via text message or email. Enter the code accurately to proceed. This step helps ensure that the right person is accessing the account. Congratulations! Once you have all of this completed, you should be logged into your Walmart Workday account. Remember that the login process is designed to protect your personal information while providing you easy access to all employment-related resources and tools Walmart offers its employees. If for some reason you encounter issues, make sure your internet connection is stable and consider checking in with your IT department for additional assistance. With this tutorial, logging into Walmart Workday should be a breeze. Feel free to follow along each time you need to log in until you become comfortable with the process. We hope this guide has been helpful, and remember to bookmark the page for future quick access. Thank you for watching, and have a great day managing your work life more effectively with Walmart Workday.